How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. To turn on screen mirroring, first of all, what you need to do is simply open settings on your device. Once you are on your settings home page, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see general option. Simply tap on it. From there, you have to select AirPlay and handoff option. And on the top you will see automatically AirPlay. Go through it and make sure that it is not set to never. Either you have to set it to ask or automatic. Automatic will be fine. Now close this settings app. Now open your control center from the top. There you will see two rectangle option available. If you hit on that, then your screen mirroring will be turned on. Now you can pair with any device and then you are good to go. In this way you can easily turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.